Hello everyone. Today's date is 7 May 2022. Today's topic is legacy classes in Java. Is the part of collection. Legacy class means that framework is not included to the Java. In the early version of Java, we have several classes and interface which allow to the store object. After adding the collection framework in Java for supporting the collection framework, these classes re-engaged. So classes and interfaces that from the collection framework in the older version of Java are known as legacy classes. There are different classes in legacy classes. First one is a hash table, second one is stack, third one is dictionary, and fourth one is properties, and last one is a vector. One by one to first one is a hash table classes. Hash table classes is similar to the hash map. It also contains the data into key pair. It does not allow to the after the null key and value because the synchronize just to the vector. There are different type of custody in hash table. First one is it is used to the need to create the default hash table having the size of 11. First one is a default hash table. Then syntax of hash table is a hash table in parentheses in blank. Second one is a size. It is used to the hash table is a specified size. Syntax of hash table parentheses in the size. Then the next one is a vector. Vector is a special type of array list that defines to the dynamic array. Array list not synchronized while vector is a synchronization. The vector class is a several agency of classes that are not present in a collection framework. Vector implementation after that the JDK 5 that defines the fully compatible with the collection. There are four constructors in vector. First one is a vector. Vector is a by default constructor. Vector that can be size of a default vector size is a 10. Second one is vector constructor is a vector is a size to size checking to the size of vector to use that second constructor. Syntax of vector in parentheses in size. Then third one is a third constructor is a vector are used to the int size and in the increment to increment to the vector size. Then fourth one is a the third classes is a properties classes. Properties classes are extend to the hash table and class to the maintain the list of value, the list of the both the key and value of the type of string. The property classes have both in two constructor. Then first one is a properties and parentheses in blank. That can be used to the properties object without having the default value. Then second one is a properties in parentheses in properties and property default. Then it is used to the properties object using the specify. Then next one is class is the stack classes. In stack classes is extend to the vector classes which follow to the last in first out. That the stack implementation of has only to the default constructor in stack. First one is a stack. There are different methods are used in the stack. First one is a push. Push method are used to the add the object in stack. Next one is a pop. Pop method are used to the get or remove from stack is the method, and third one is a pick method. Pick method is similar to the pop to method, but cannot remove the stack top element in using the top does not top minus one element are removed. And next one is a empty. Empty is a stack in not present in a element. And next one is a search. Search method. Search method are used to the specific element to the search in a stack. Next one is the dictionary classes. Dictionary classes is the dictionary classes object is the merge the map and representation of key and value. Thank you.